It's exactly how you can make 6 figures selling any saturated product. People have this misconception that certain products are saturated and can't be sold at scale anymore. Maybe even you've tested one of these so-called saturated products, like this moon lamp, and it hasn't worked out for you. But the real reason why it wasn't profitable was because all you did was just copy and paste someone else's product images, product descriptions, steal their ad creative, and then try to run it as your own. Now, even I'm guilty of doing this, so I can't blame you. However, if it was that simple, then everyone would be doing it. You actually need to put some effort in to change things up, or else you'll be in a never-ending cycle of constantly testing products and keep on wasting money. So here's a secret strategy that you could deploy that can literally change the game for your dropshipping business just by selling these so-called saturated products. Instead of doing what literally everyone else is doing and selling these products in the US or English markets, try to sell these products in other tier 1 countries. There's literally dozens of countries with tens of millions of buyers that you could actually tap into. For example, the population of Germany is 83 million, which is huge. It's even bigger than the UK. And there's no reason why a product that sold well in the UK or any other English market can't also sell really well in Germany, or France, or Spain, or even the UAE for that matter. Loads of these products could also be sold very successfully in these other countries, and all you really need to do is just translate the ad creatives and the store to the native language of that country. So let me show you exactly how to do that. Now the first step is to get an ad spy tool like adspy.com, and you can get a free trial on this website. And then you just want to search for your product name and then filter by the best performing ads. And now we can see over here that these are all the creatives that perform the best for this moon lamp in the English markets. And essentially all we need to do is recreate these ads and translate them into the language of the target country we're going after. Now in some cases you might be able to edit the creative itself and turn it into a different native language. However, in most cases you need to recreate the entire video and then translate it into your target market's language. If you don't already know, you can go to the checkout settings and just change the language of your store over here. And once you've done that, you can start selling what's considered a saturated product in the US into a less competitive market like Norway, for example. And there's loads of winning products that you could replicate this strategy for, like the personalized name necklace, or even the famous Galaxy projector. One slightly big issue that you have to factor in though, is that basically anyone selling into the EU markets has to pay VAT. So you're losing 20% of your overall revenue in taxes. And obviously that's a bit tough on your margins. However, if your advertising campaigns are doing above, let's say a 2.5, maybe 3 ROAS consistently, then you can still sell very aggressively in these markets with paid ads. And if you want to see more ecom videos just like this, then make sure you are following my account and like this video.